Oh yeah. It smells like cigarettes. It's lonely in here since you left your things to remind me that you disappeared. Made it clear I should leave you behind me. You know I tried to give you space. Told me I was still in the way. Even though I'm trying to let you go, you're still too close. It smells like cigarettes and perfume. I still see your silhouette in my room. Everywhere I go now I lose my mind. Smells like cigarettes and perfume. I still see your silhouette in my room. Everywhere I go now I lose my mind. My mind. Like it or not, I've been on my knees for too long. I know that I got to get on my feet. What's going on? Been stuck in time, gotta leave this place. Lost in my mind, trying to ease my pain. Gotta step outside, but it's hard to go. I can't leave your ghost. It smells like cigarettes and perfume. I still see your silhouette in my room. Everywhere I go now I lose my mind. Smells like cigarettes and perfume. I still see your silhouette in my room. Everywhere I go now I lose my mind. My mind. I can't get you out of 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 my mind. It smells like cigarettes and perfume. I still see your silhouette